Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will be installing Jupyter Labs as well as Jupyter Notebook so that the APIs which we have installed will be used now for programming. And then we will be starting the basic programming tutorial as well as data mining and data analysis tutorials. So without wasting time, let's get started. So for installing, in my previous video, we were covering pip, how to install pip, upgrade pip, and other APIs, which was Tensorflow and data mining libraries. So we will follow, as we have learned so many issues which we encountered while installing it. Uh, so we already know that we have to first open command prompt, and then I was using cd dot last time, but now I know that you can write cd and backslash, it will go directly to the C drive. And then I have the pip install on. So basically my pip is installed in the script folder. So I will just copy that folder name, and then if I just type cd and then paste the path, it will directly go to that folder. But as you know, we have created a virtual environment. So we wanted to install the Jupyter Notebook as well as Jupyter Labs into that virtual environment. So as you know, we created a virtual environment in my previous video, which was into C drive, Python code, and then we have this activate script here. So we will copy that part first. We will first go to the virtual environment and then run the pip statement there. So I will just go back, just cd backslash, and then cd and then the path. And now I will just write activate to activate the virtual environment. I'm now into virtual environment, and I will be referring to the standard document for Jupyter notebooks. I will be putting the link into the description so that you can directly go to this link. So as according to the document, we are using the default we are using the default Python library. So we will be using this pip statement, and if you would have installed by Conda, you will be following this document. So what we will do is we will just first install Jupyter Labs, so which is pip install Jupyter Labs. So what we will do is pip install Jupyter Labs. Once you click on it, it will take time. It will take some time to install it. So basically, it took almost 3 to 4 minutes to install. And now we will be running the command pip freeze to know the libraries which are already installed, and then these were the libraries which were installed by us previously. As you can see, we have Jupyter Labs installed now. So now we will directly go and install first Jupyter Notebooks, which is pip install notebook. And as you can see, it was telling that it is already satisfied. So let's go back and confirm if it was installed as part of Jupyter Labs or not. So as you can see, we already have Jupyter Notebook installed as part of the Jupyter Labs. When we ran the installation button, it already told that all the requirements were already satisfied. So now what we will do is we have to start the Jupyter Labs or else Jupyter Notebook. So if we just go to that same page where it is there, it has mentioned how to start it also. If you wanted to start it, we have to write Jupyter Notebook. If for notebook, it is Jupyter space notebook. So basically, it is a browser based, so it will open the session in the browser. And as you can see, it has opened it. So if you wanted to create a new one, you can just go here and will open a. I have opened a session here, and then just to confirm if it is working fine, I will write the pin statement. So to run it, it is Shift Enter, and as you can see, it ran properly without any problem. Now, what we wanted to do is we have to open Jupyter Labs as well. So the go back to the command prompt. It is Control C, and then as we know for Jupyter Labs, the command is Jupyter-lab. So we will just run it. So as you can see, it open and in the session in browser. So we will open an notebook, and then I will try the same print statement, confirm it. So as you can see, this ran properly. And so this is the way by which you can install Jupyter Labs and Jupyter Notebook in your system. For previous videos where I have installed the Python version, I will be putting a link in the description box, as well as there is another video in which I have installed Tensorflow and machine learning libraries and all the issues which I have encountered. This video was streamlined because I have encountered so many errors while installing other like creation of the virtual environment in my previous video. So you can refer to my previous video in which I face so many problems. So thank you for watching. Have a great day. Thank you. Bye.